Hello everyone, my name is Cecile and this is my video presentation for my Better Career program. And during last 2 weeks I have been working on creating a complete weekly transaction report and dashboard. The main goal of this practice was to develop my data reporting skills, from cleaning and structuring raw data to calculating performance indicators and finally building clear visual reports using Excel and Power BI. In this short presentation I will show you what I have done step by step and how the report can actually support real business decision making. Let's start with the dataset. Here you can see a table that contains 60 transactions recorded between the 1st and 15th of October. Each record includes a client ID, name, transaction code, date, transaction amount, and category. These three categories, retail, wholesale, and corporate, represent different customer segments. At the beginning of my work, I focused on preparing the data. I removed duplicate rows, checked for missing values, adjusted date formats, and verified that all amounts were entered correctly. Data cleaning is a main part of any reporting process. Even small inconsistencies can affect the accuracy of final report. After checking the data, I made sure that all numerical columns were in correct format and that the total number of records matched the expected volume. Once the dataset was ready, I moved on to calculate several key performance indicators or KPIs, which summarize the most important business information. On the dashboard sheet, you can see the main KPI section. It includes 5 key indicators, and these indicators provide a quick snapshot of overall performance. To explore the structure of sales, I created the bar chart showing the total amount of sales by category. As we can see, the retail category clearly dominates in both numbers of transaction and total sales value. The wholesale and corporate segments perform on a similar level, but they still make an important contribution to the company's total revenue. Such visual comparisons help management identify which customer group generates the highest results and where to focus marketing efforts. The next visualization is a pie chart that demonstrates the percentage share of each category in total sales. The larger the slice, the greater the category's contribution. For example, retail makes up more than 1/3 of total transaction. This tells us the retail customers are currently the main revenue source, while the other two categories represent additional but smaller business channels. I also added a line chart to check the transaction dynamics by date. This visual helps identify periods or increased and decreased activity. As we can see, the highest transaction volume occurred in second week of October, which may indicate a successful sales campaign or seasonal demand. Tracking such patterns can help managers predict customer behavior and plan resources more effectively. After completing the dashboard, I discussed the results with my mentor. We talked about how this type of analytical report could be used in real practice. For example, to track client activity, evaluate performance, and plan future sales strategies. My mentor also recommended adding extra metrics in the future, such as average transaction per client and weekly growth rate, to make the analysis even deeper. In conclusion, this 2 weeks reporting practice project helped me improve my analytical thinking and technical skills. I learned how to transform raw data into meaningful insights, how to design clear KPI reports, and how data visualization can support better business decisions. Thank you for watching my presentation.